BomberMan.
Welcome back to my MIG BomberMan channel. Today I'm coming back to you with a very interesting, as always, very smart and very curious thing that I'm going to explode tonight. My friend Jim gave me the present. Wow, that was awesome. I was surprised. I was looking, what kind of present he has. And as you see, the present was there was a wall watch with a little birdie inside. Wow, it looks amazing. First impression was really awesome. I was wondering, when this bird will flew away. Yeah, and when he starts singing. But come on, it's okay. I like presents, everything's fine. But that little birdie, I don't know, I gave them the name of Eagle. But come on, I was so tired of him. He's singing and laughing and cuckoo, 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 cuckoo every time, every day, every hour. I was tired of this. As always, every day that bird is singing and singing and singing. Come on, I was so pissed off of that bird. And as you see, when I'm working, he's singing. No way. Stop doing this, you crazy bird. When I'm sleeping, also he's singing every hour, all the night. I was so tired of that. Come on, no way. But my last patient drop was fully overheated when I was sleeping last night. I was sleeping so sweet dreams, I was dreaming, and that bird was singing everywhere around, every hour, every minute, I think. So that's why, as you see, I was trying to blow them with with all the tools and equipment and all the things what I was having around. And in the end, I was trying to shoot that bird. Crazy parrot. Okay, let's kick this bird ass. Go ahead. Yeah! I won! But it didn't happen, so that's why I decided to take that big box of that birdie and to destroy it with my in my microwave. Wow, this is amazing. This is the best food for all the birdies. Take a look. This is MIG bird food. What kind of great food we have. Right, are you happy now? Do you need some breakfast? Do you need? Yeah, of course, I see that you are waiting for this, so here you go. Okay, go out, and this is your food. I'm coming. So, here you go, eat this, you little birdie parrot. Okay, now you're ready to be exploded. Go on.
MIG BomberMan.
What? This is a moment in history! Take a picture!
MIG BomberMan.
Hello, 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 little birdie, where are you? Coming back after explosion. Just take a look what happened, what has left out here, and this bird is somewhere hidden. Where is that little eagle? Oh my god, I think I found him. Take a look. Hey, hello. Haha. Not singing anymore? Yeah, you're not singing anymore. So that's nice. That's nice. Ah, the main engine, V8 power, totally damaged. That's nice. Wow, and everything what has left. All the parts are smashed, broken, and nothing works at all. Nice. It's always good to take a look around after the explosion and see what has left.
MIG BomberMan.
Nothing left. Nothing left. So, very soon we'll be back with a new video, so just follow my channel, share with your friends, and we are waiting for your idea to destroy. The best thing what I can offer for you to become a pop star, rock star, and even the star in all over the world, to become a part of me, so just follow my channel, Big MIG BomberMan channel on YouTube, and here is an email that you can drop me a message. You will be participating in it with your nickname, with your photo, with your portfolio, and everybody will see your explosion, your idea that it was destroyed by MIG BomberMan.
MIG BomberMan.